Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris. Hey, you're getting this special message because Hillary and I are super excited because the financial literacy entrepreneurship program Life that we've been coaching with and through to other people over the last 9 years has launched an amazing financial literacy app that helps people save money in their budget, buying the things they're already buying at the stores they're already shopping at, and up to 10% savings. And so we're super excited about it. So we wanted to extend an offer to you to get that information. I'm actually going to share a screen. Here is a list, or this is actually a small representation of many of the national retail brands that we have on the app today. And so you're going to get an average of 5% off stackable. If you have a coupon, if you have you see Groupon listed there, if you have a Groupon or something like that, all of this is stackable. And so it's super exciting. I've got the app downloaded myself right now. Just go to savemoney.lifeinfoapp.com and you can download it as well. And so I wanted to show you guys some of the savings that are on here. That's pretty cool. If I don't say so myself. And Hillary actually used it. She bought this GFCI for me the other day. She went to Lowe's and got just over 2% discount. And so we've got like Buffalo Wild Wings on here. We've got Domino's Pizza. We've got GameStop. We've got all those places like you saw: Applebee's, Chipotle, Chili's. We've got Papa John's, IHOP. IHOP, you get 4.75% discount. We just got, I got to mess up my screen here, but I'll get it back. Staples, Lowe's, Home Depot. We've even got a deal with Uber. So if you travel a lot, Chipotle, Papa John's, Lowe's, Steak and Shake, Home Depot, Pro-Am Golf, Bass Pro. We got Cabela's coming, guys. Obviously, that's coming too. Old Navy, Sephora, Ulta, Land's End Express, Ari. This is stinking awesome, and we're excited about sharing it with you because we know you're going to be excited about saving money, buying the things that you're already buying, shopping at the places you're already shopping. And I think Hillary and I are getting ready to take the kids out. We're either going to go to Buffalo Wild Wings, maybe Applebee's, maybe Chili's, or maybe Steak and Shake and get a big old shake. So we will see you guys later. Download the app, Save Money, no spaces, all lowercase, .lifeinfoapp.com. It's a 2-phase download. And when I see you download and show up in my email that you've downloaded it, I'll send you a PDF and another YouTube video that explains how to download the app. And we will see you next time we use the app. Love you guys. Bye.